I'm Ales.
Yeah, we are. Where's the other one?
Where's what other?
Oh,
it's up there.
Well, so this is our first time on YouTube. So yeah, we're awesome. And yeah, so what do you want to do, Al, so we don't grow to death?
Dr. Pepper drinking contest.
Well, I want to do that. Let's do it.
Okay.
I call winning.
Can you hand me mine?
Yep.
Mine. Or you can.
Okay,
Yay.
let's see who can drink theirs or finish theirs first. Faster. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, I got it all over my shirt.
Oh gosh.
Ew! Oh, it
That
smells
was-
like.
That was so manly. I can't do it anymore.
I can't. I don't know how to burp. I mean, every time I try to burp, it comes out the wrong end. I mean, that really just doesn't work for me, sadly.
Oh, sad face.
See, it's all. It just doesn't work out for me. So sad. Okay, that didn't work out.
Schmank
So
it.
I'm not trying it again because I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
So do I.
All right. Well, we're just gonna say peace now.
Yeah.
My shirt is trashed. So, yeah.
Peace and whoa.
Ooh, Allie got spit on the screen.
What?
Just kidding. I'm in Paris. And yeah, seriously. Okay, just kidding. All right, well, peace.
Peace.
And love.